Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. And yeah, I went and did it. I stopped at my local LCS yesterday and they did have some Series 1 hockey. So I grabbed a single box. That's all I grabbed. So let's see if I can have better luck with this one than I did yesterday with my retail tin. But yeah, I mean, up until yesterday when I ripped that tin, the last Upper Deck hockey, the product that I ripped was actually Series 2 tins. I never got around to picking up any extended series. God, some good sticker. So yeah, hopefully the 6 Young Guns here are better than the 3 that I got yesterday. But here we go. And we're just gonna jump right to the center of the packs. I'm not gonna focus on the base like I did yesterday. So we start off with a Dazzler, William Eklund. Then we have a canvas of Kevin Hayes and a UD portrait of Patrick Laine. Maybe I can get a nice acetate Young Gun. That's an interesting one. Little Dr. Pepper. So this one we got a tracking system, Aiden Hill. Oh, there's our first Young Gun, Oliver Moore for the Blackhawks. And Thatcher Demko, Quest for the Cup. They had, I think it was 4 boxes there, 4 or 5, and I just took all of my willpower to just say, I'll just take one. Barbashev Encore, Nathan McKinnon Goal Oriented, and a sizzle reel of Kyle Connor. And again, if you have not seen on the back, they do have QR codes. And if you take if you scan that QR code, it will actually take you to the highlight that they're kind of focusing on the front. Another canvas, Blake Coleman. Our next Young Gun, I believe. It is Carter Mazur for the Red Wings. And Cale Makar on the compositions. I do like the looks of those. I'm assuming they probably have parallels for them. Oh, looks like we got an Outburst. Outburst Silver. Ooh, it's a Young Gun. So we're going to go to this. We got a sizzle reel, Philip Forsberg, Alex Ovechkin, and the goal oriented. So who is our Young Gun? And it's not who I was hoping for. Buffalo Sabres, Noah Ostland. Or Ostland. So maybe I get 7 Young Guns in this box. Start off this one with a Cole Perfetti Encore. Then we have Tracking System, Jeremy Swayman. And another Blackhawk. Levshunov. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. That's the halfway point. And I did notice that they have Utah Mammoth for Utah now. Oh, we got a Young Gun canvas. Alex Ovechkin Speckle Sizzle Reel. So that's a parallel. Evgeny Malkin. Shows him on the Penguins, though. I thought he went elsewhere. Oh, this is Shark. It's not. I was incorrect. It is not a Young Gun canvas. It's a vet. So we'll sleeve up the Ovi. Next pack, we have Compadre, Celebrini, and Toffoli. And then a Martin Nikas. Nope. Joachim Kamel for Nashville. So far, pretty disappointing, but oh, we got a black and white. So those are kind of tougher. We got a Bustle of Brady Tkachuk. Then we have Zach Hyman on the Encore. And then our black and white canvas is going to be Troy Terry. Front and back, with the exception of the team logo on the back and the Upper Deck logo on the front. So no numbered card yet. I want to say you can expect a numbered card, but I could be all wrong on that. There's a composition. Mason McTavish. Got a Jeremy Swayman canvas. A Macklin Celebrini on the compositions. And Jacob Quillen, Young Gun. So that might be my final one. Unless I get a clear-cut Young Gun or something. Because how many are we up to? Oh no, there might be one more. There might be one more. Celebrini. It's the second year. Oh, there's our deluxe. There's our numbered card. Casey Zizekas, 211 of 250. Tracking system, Samuel Urson. And a portrait of Jonathan Marchessault. Now on Nashville. Formerly of the Las Vegas Golden Knights. Last pack. Let's make it a good one. And there's Korpisalo for Boston. Dustin Wolf on the encore. A Nathan MacKinnon sizzle reel. So I got both Nathan and... Nope, this looks like Ducks or Flyers. That's Philadelphia. Rodrigo. Bulls. Okay, so pretty easy. Everything's right here, so I'll just hop right into the hit recap. So, oh, I put sizzle reel in the wrong pile. So here we go. For Young Guns, got the Rodrigo for the Flyers, Carter Mazur for the Red Wings, Oliver Moore for the Blackhawks, Jacob Quinlan for the Leafs, Joakim Kemell for the Predators, Artem Lashunov for the Blackhawks, the two Blackhawks. And I did get a bonus Young Gun. I got the Outburst Young Gun of Noah Ostlund for the Sabres. Got a deluxe of Casey Cizikas, 211 of 250 for the Islanders. Did get a black and white canvas of Troy Terry. And then I did get a Alex Ovechkin speckle sizzle reel. And that pretty much was it. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Hope you all have a great rest of your day. And as always, keep collecting.